How to convert date to the day of the week in Excel. Do you want to quickly convert dates into weekday names, such as Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday? Here are 3 easy methods. Method 1. Text function. Click a blank cell to output the result. Then, type the text function. dddd returns the full name of the day, such as Sunday, Monday. To display an abbreviated weekday name, such as Monday or Tuesday, use dddd. Press Enter key, and Excel will return the weekday name. Then, drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the remaining dates. Method 2. Format cells. Select the cells containing the dates. Press Ctrl and 1 keys to open the Format Cells dialog box. Choose Custom from the category list. In the Type box, enter dddd or ddd. Click OK. The dates will now appear as full weekday names. This method only changes how the dates are displayed. The original date values remain unchanged. Method 3. Kutools for Excel. First, download and install Kutools. Select the cells containing the dates. Go to Kutools tab. Click Format. Select Apply Date Formatting. In the dialog box, choose Wed or Wednesday from the Date Formatting list box. You can preview the results from the preview pane. Then click OK. All the selected date have been replaced by the day name that you want. Text, return weekdays in a new column. Format cells, change the display only. Kutools, convert multiple dates quickly. Which method do you prefer? Like and follow for more Excel tips.